You know, I had a feeling that this trip was going to be stressful, regardless of how well I planned it. But, right now I'm wishing I had planned it even more, because I'm not feeling so good about this.
Well, I think that once we get out of Los Angeles, it'll be a lot less stressful, because for me, the stressful part is just the city and all the cars.
It's true.
You guys all ready to go back there?
All right, here we go.
Hey, Dean, where are you? Are you okay? Hang on a second, I can't get the bike started.
Well, we just started, and I already lost Peter. Excellent.
Never mind, we're fine, the gas is off.
Leo's just like... Okay, just to provide you with a little context of how bizarre what we're doing is, these motor kits are $100 on Amazon. You yourself can go out and buy one and mount it to any bicycle. And that being said, the odds of actually making it to Vegas seem pretty slim.
Roll down the window, put down the top.
You never know, they might just make
Boys,
it.
baby, don't let the music stop. We gonna ride it till we just can't ride it no more.
It broke. We were going strong, and then all of a sudden, Peter's engine just lost power.
I think I just lost power.
I wasn't sure what was going on, and then when I realized that the cylinder actually came loose. I don't know how it happened, but the 4 screws holding down the cylinder came loose, and the whole cylinder was going up and down with the piston. So we tightened that down, and the engine started to work again, but then we discovered that the engine mount holding Peter's engine to the bicycle broke. What happened was the stud that holds together the bracket stripped out the motor and just fell out. So Peter had the brilliant idea of putting epoxy on it and hammering it in. Needless to say, it did not work. We've been here for about 2 hours now, and we finally decided to give it up, and we're gonna try and replace the entire motor, which is quite a shame because the original motor actually works fine. It's just there's no way to attach it to the bicycle. I don't know, at this rate, it's not looking like we're gonna make it to Vegas.
There's a shitload of oatmeal. Everyone better eat it.
There's no toppings. You didn't bring nothing.
You didn't tell me to. You were supposed to do the oatmeal.
Yeah,
I
I was.
told you to.
That's kind of when I was like, dude, we should have brought some like blueberries and strawberries or something like that. Just something.
Look, he did bring sugar.
Yeah. Oh, well, yeah, I brought sugar, but you don't. Ew. Why would you put sugar on oatmeal?
Brown sugar on oatmeal.
That's not brown sugar
That's
though.
not brown sugar.
But
That's
it's
cane.
sugar.
That's cane sugar.
It is sugar though.
That's sugar.
Peter's.
And it will taste good.
You're not a man. You need to just eat it
That's
raw.
low-key a shit ton of sugar, Peter.
So we're loading up the bikes to head back to where we were because we didn't make it very far last night.
Yeah, we didn't make it far enough.
Yeah. And engine swap will do that to you.
Yeah, I will. Hey, Leo, try not to break any more tubes today, okay? We got a lot of ground to make up for.
I'll try, man, but I can't make any promises.
Just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, like I've been itching since we go down the highway. With a best of first, insisting that the world be right our way. And our way is on the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road.
Oh snap! It looks like you broke something, Leo.
Yeah, no, Joe, come on, I need your help.
think you guys got this one. I'm gonna take 10. My vibration's getting to me a little bit.
Man, I freaking hate these things.
Why didn't you bring a deep socket then?
I honestly didn't think about it. I didn't think we were gonna need any deep sockets for gas tanks.
Well, I guess you should have thought of that.
Hey, Peter, you coming?
You all right?
You've got to be kidding me.
It's really bizarre how we were fine for all this way, and then now all of a sudden we go through 2 tanks in a matter of a couple miles.
Yeah, I don't completely understand it, but it's not good. We can't break another tank.
Oh crap, you're right.
This is it. If we break another one, it's game over.
Well, hopefully we don't break another one.
Oh, no, no, no! What's going on? I felt the underside of my tank and it's seeping.
Great, and we don't have a spare too because you decided to break 2 at once.
Hey, if you wanted
You
a
know,
spare
and
gas
we're
tank,
so-
you should have broke it sooner.
We're so close. Like, I didn't come all the way out here just for my gas tank to break, to pour out, and leave me stranded. You know what? I'll pedal it all the way in if I need to.
I'm sure you will, but I hope for your sake that doesn't happen.
Let's just keep going, and hopefully it doesn't get worse, because it's not as bad as yours was, thankfully.
Yeah.
Trailer for sailor rent, rooms to let 50 cent. No phone, no pool, no pets. Ain't got no cigarettes, but 2 hours of pushing broom buys a 8 by 12 4-bedroom. I'm a man of means, by no means king of the road. 3rd boxcar, midnight train, destination Bangor, Maine. Old worn out suit and shoes.
It's getting worse, Leo!
Just keep going, we're almost there!
Old stogies I have found.
Hey Peter, I think your exhaust just fell off.
Big around.
It's alright, I don't need it!
Are you sure? I'm about 20 feet behind you and my head's starting to hurt.
What?
Every engineer on every
Come on,
train.
baby, you can do it!
How's the tank holding up?
I can feel it dripping on my pants!
Every lock that ain't locked, no one's around. I sing 2 hours of pushing broom by the 8 by 12 4-bedroom. I'm a man of means, by no means king of the road, king of the road, king of the road.
The lights were groovy colours, the band was playing slow. We danced just one dance together, then she said, I gotta go now. I brushed away a teardrop and followed her outside, where a long-haired yob on a cycle was waiting to gear a ride. I'll never forget that freak she went with.
telling me to better leave town. Cause as soon as me moped's front mudguard is fixed, gonna find the creep and put him down. Down, down. When you see me moped, you better take your piece of junk and ride, 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 ride. Move, funky moped, move, funky moped, move, funky moped, move, funky moped, move, 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 funky moped, go, funky moped. Oh, me mum won't let me mend it in the kitchen. I gotta fix it in the garden.